Hello and welcome. I am so happy to have the opportunity to guide you on this happiness meditation. So let's begin. Find a comfortable place to lie down where you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything for the duration of this session. Inhale and exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and let it go. Breathe in and out. Breathing fully in and let the air escape. Good. We are going to begin a relaxing body scan. Bring your focus to your eyes. Just notice how your eyes feel and ask them to relax even more. The little movement in your eyes is called rapid eye movement and is completely normal. These small eye movements allow for you to feel calm. Notice how the back of your head feels against the surface that it is touching. How heavy does your head feel right now? Let your focus move to your nose, feeling the slight sensations of the air moving in and out with your breath. And when you breathe in, imagine that you are being filled with calmness. And when you breathe out, imagine your body feels heavy and deeply relaxed. Very good. Now focus on your ears. Notice how they feel and what they hear around you. Try to hear every single noise. When sounds come into your ears, they act as little waves of relaxation, taking you even deeper. Notice the sound of my voice and how soothing it is. From here forward, you can only hear my voice guiding you, and all other sounds passing through only relax you even more. Now focus on your mouth. How does it feel? And what do you notice? Can you sense the flavor of something you recently tasted? Perhaps you can imagine biting into a fresh slice of apple and notice how your mouth waters. Very good. And move your focus now down to your neck. And if there is any tension, just ask it to release. Notice how your neck feels now. And just experience all of the sensations in your neck. Now focus on your shoulders and move your attention slowly going down each arm, down all the way to each fingertip. What are your fingertips touching right now? Feel the sensations on your fingertips. Nice. Focusing on your chest, relaxing this area, as well as your upper back. Now imagine you are focusing on your heart and feeling it beating strongly, supporting you. Relax your heart and notice how good it feels to do so. And now focus on your lungs. Feel them gently expanding and contracting with your breath, delivering oxygen to your body. Focusing on your vital organs and digestive system. Just notice your belly and how it feels. Observe it working and digesting effortlessly for you. Now notice your lower back and how it is pressing against the surface you are on. And if you feel any tension, just say, "Please relax a little bit more." Focus now on your pelvis and hips, noticing any sensations you are having here. This takes you deeper into a state of relaxation. Allowing your focus to move down each leg now, slowly relaxing those as well. Your legs have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax. Notice this wonderful wave of relaxation moving all the way to your feet and the very tip of each toe. Notice how completely relaxed your entire body feels right now. And as you relax, I'm going to tell you something very important, and you will deeply understand the words I have to say to you, and they affect your life for the better. Relaxation is the key to everything. Once you fully relax, your mind is clear and your body is calm. Then happiness is accessible. With this newfound relaxation technique and ability to accept things as they come, you are able to learn how to become happy and more relaxed in your life. You know that in order to be fully happy, you must find any possible ways to eliminate bad habits that keep you from being happy. It is easy to notice your bad habits now. And when you do, take a big, deep breath, relaxing, and accept that you are being presented with a moment you can change. Each time that you are triggered towards a bad habit is an opportunity. And lastly, the final step to achieving all these wonderful things is that from now on, you think, walk, act, and genuinely feel deeply relaxed. In those times that you need to accept the situation as it is easy for you to do so. And you feel how happy you are being able to accept the good and the bad. Your posture exudes confidence, and your head is held high. From now on, your actions with everyone you encounter are that of joy and authentic compassion. You genuinely accept things as they are, bringing you peace and relaxation. Each time you encounter a bad situation, you feel a deep knowing that this is an opportunity to just let go and accept it as a chance to be happy. And notice how that feels. Let happiness well up inside of you and expand. Wonderful. These powerful bits of advice can go a long way towards fulfilling a happy life. So let's come back to wakeful awareness and bring back all with you that you learned today. Remember to let go and be happy. Open your eyes, ready to take on life.